observing the estate through the gate from the outside looking in. Bet you would think I got it made, better look again. I got a butler, got a maid, and a mansion. He believes that I'm living out a millionaire's fantasy with phantoms and Ferraris in the driveway. But you see, it came in exchange of a sane man's sanity. Your vision jaded by the Grammys on the mantelpiece. Just switch your camera lenses, you will see the agony. Apparently it's damaging the man you see before you on the canvas. He may seem alright, but all the disadvantages his family encounters overshadows his extravagance. Walk in my nines a while, I dare you, it'll scare you while it surely seemed like the king life seemed glamorous. It's seen through the eyes of untrained amateurs, because the camera doesn't see beyond the walls of the smiles on the castle till it falls in the pile.
Everyone thinks that I have it all, but it's so empty, living behind these castle walls. These castle walls. If I should stumble, if I should fall, would anyone hear me screaming behind these castle walls? There's no one here at all, behind these castle walls.
Honestly, to me, I think I'd lose every benefit of all that I've accomplished if my kids never win at shit. Me knowing this, why should the verses I've laid be more important to me than the persons I've raised? I guess I'm saying that to say the opportunities today just don't equate to all the time it take away from the kids. All the shit I did right, some mistake of Deja end up a stripping major, slanging yay. How could I ever consider myself a great if Messiah ain't paid and neat ain't straight? Would your favorite song about the whips, money and shit be relevant if you found out the money wasn't rich? Nope. So me being the GOAT shouldn't mean more to me to see it to a king go from a bad-ass kid to a man with some dough. Otherwise I may as well have stayed pro. So why they stay focused on me beefing with Flip or shout it low? Gucci or Ludacris if I'm fucking with a hoe. Did I snitch when I got arrested or will I die over nonsense? Internally I'm dealing with this conflict. So excuse me if I don't get the chance to kiss the hand and slap me in the face. Hey, I'm just a man. If they saying I ain't the best at making hit records, just cause this is my life, these ain't just rap. Bitch, you ain't think it all, live with that D-Digidog. See, you can't see the castle for the walls till it falls. Bitch, you ain't thinking with that D-Digidog. Cause see, you can't see the castle for the walls till it
Everyone
falls.
thinks that I have it all, but it's so empty, living behind these castle walls. These castle walls.